Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Today's video very useful, very curiosity generating, very uplifting because I have dealt with one share. At the end I have given you homework so that you will understand which shares to pick up to invest in the future. Now listen to the whole video. Suppose you had invested 10,000 as lump sum investment in Havells India shares on 7th May 2001, that is 20 years ago. Then following would be its value over the years. May 2002, it has come down from 10,000 to 9,283. 2003 further came down to 7,582. 2006 went to 1,68,611. May 2007 2,58,603. 2012 5,94,011. 2013 7,49,382. 2018 has already reached 30,10,712 and 2019 41,25,994 and May 2021 whopping amount 54,77,518. Rupees 10,000 invested as lump sum in Havells has given 37.07% returns in the last 20 years, whereas bank deposit of 10,000 invested on the same day in May 2020 at the rate of maximum 8.50% would have yielded you 51,120 instead of 54,77,518. As per 30 DMA, Havells is currently showing don't buy indication for short term. You may be asking a question, what about the long term? For long term investors, there is no Mahurat, there is no time. If you are ready to invest as SIP or SCP, invest every month or once in few months, one share, two shares, whatever that you can afford. And for retirement like 10, 15, 20 years. But mandatory watching of the video once in 3 months is a must. We have some observations. The longer the time duration of investments, the higher the future value of compounding. Number 2, tax on long-term investments in stock market is 10,000 compared to interest on bank deposits, which can be up to 30%. More compounding happens at the end of the period. Fourth observation, investment should be made in portfolio of 6 to 10 companies, not only one company. In this example, we have shown only one company. Fifth observation, regular monitoring of fundamentals has to be done once in 3 months once investment has been made in stock markets. And the sixth, we have not included dividends which you have received over the years. Now, for your benefit, so that you will understand whether to invest in a share or not in the future, we have given an assignment. If you had invested rupees 10,000 as lump sum investment in Kotak Mahindra Bank shares in 7th May 2001, today's value would have been rupees ... Please calculate and type in the comment section. We will select the first 3 names with the correct answer and name them in the next few days in our video. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon. If you do 3 things, our video will be rated high and it will be shown all over the country. Our idea is that everybody should benefit from these videos, not 10,000, not 20,000, in lakhs and lakhs. First one is press the like button. Second one is share with large number of people. Third one is comment compulsorily. In this case, I have given you regarding Kotak Mahindra Bank, and comment whether you know it or not. Make your own type of calculation, put the figures. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.